Students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So students, in last lecture we have learned about types of computer. In that we learn about desktop computer, laptop, tablet, notebook computers. Right? I hope you all have understood. So today we are going to start with our fourth chapter, that is on page number 19, rhymes and poems related to ICT. So today we are going to learn about what is ICT. ICT stands for, which are the tools of ICT, and some poems related to the tools of ICT. So shall we start with the lesson? So open page number 19, lesson number 4. What is ICT? What is ICT? Information and Communication Technology. So I stand for information, C stand for communication, and T stand for technology. Is the use of technology in everyday life to exchange information through different communication tools. So ICT means whatever devices or technologies that we use to exchange information, to share our ideas, view to the other people, and the device or equipment that we use to communicate with the people, those devices are called as a ICT tools. For example, mobile phones, computers, television, and etc. We have already learned about most of ICT tools earlier. So we have learned about ICT tools in previous chapters. So they have shown us some tools of ICT: television, phone, mobile phone, DVD player, and computer. Right? About this ICT tools we have learned in our previous standard. In first standard we have learned about which are the tools of ICT. So now turn your page on page number 20. Let us learn about ICT using rhymes and poem. So in this lesson they have given us a poems to learn about ICT. So first point is ICT. ICT refers to technology that we use to exchange information through communication tools. So ICT now refers to, as I told you, it whichever device or whichever technology we use to share the information, to exchange the information to the which tools, those tools are called as a ICT tools. It includes the television in your home, the computers in school, homes and offices, the radio you listen to, and more. So again they have shown us some ICT tools. First is television that we use in home, and computer that we use in school, offices, home. Next is radio that we listen for music or for news. Okay, so after that they have given us a ICT poem. So just we will start learning. First I will read the whole poem and then I will explain. ICT tools are all around, keeps you connected across city or town. To speak to your friend, just pick up a phone. Talk and laugh and feel no longer alone. Watch TV to keep yourself informed and entertained. It's something you can do even you are tired and drained. Perform your tasks smartly and quickly. The computer helps you learn things easily. Access anything on this world so around. ICT is here to help you around. So now I will explain you the poem. ICT tools are all around means ICT tools are we use in our day-to-day life, right? Keeps you connected across city or town. So with the help of this ICT tools, you are connected to your city as well and to the world as well. You can come to know the latest news about your city as well as about world, also on television. So it helps us to be connected. To speak to your friends, just pick up a phone. When you want to call your friend, you want to talk to your friend, just you can take a phone and call them and have a talk to them. Talk and laugh and feel no longer alone. So with the help of this mobile phone, you can talk, you can laugh and don't feel alone. Watch TV to keep yourself informed and entertainment. So with the help of television, you can get information through the news channel, and with the help of Cartoon Network's channels, you can get the entertainment as well. It's something you can do even if you are tired and drained. So whether you are tired, you can sleep also, you can rest also, and you can watch the TV or you can check out your mobile phone also. Perform your tasks smartly and quickly. So you can perform your tasks easily and with the less time you can perform your task. Like if you want to call anyone, you want to search any informations, with the help of computer or mobile phone, it is very easy and you can do it quickly. The computer helps you learn things easily. So with the help of computer, you can learn the many things easily. Access anything on this world, so around. Whatever you want to access, you can access from the internet. ICT helps to help you around. So ICT is there for you to help you around. So with the help of ICT tools, we can talk to the people, we can get entertainment, we can get informations whether you are tired or drained. Next thing, you can do the work smartly and quickly, and this things helps you to do the things quickly and easily. And whether you want to access anything, you can access around the world, and here's the ICT for helping you all for this all the things. So here we have learned about ICT. Now we are going to proceed further toward next page, that is on page number 21. Next is ICT tool is television. You all know television, right? On that you can get entertainment also and information also. Television is one of the most common sources of entertainment. The television has a multiple channels that help us learn, laugh and relax. So this is the most common source of entertainment which commonly used by everyone, and nowadays you can see each and every home, each and every house have the television in their houses. The television has a multiple channels. You all know we have lots of channels on television with the different categories. Whether you want to get information, you can watch news channel. If you want to laugh, you can see any kind of cartoons, any comic serials you can watch, and even you can relax while watching the television. We can watch cartoons, informative channels and other shows on TV. You can learn about different things such as English language, animals, places and different discoveries. You all know we have a different categories also. In that we have Animal Planet channel, Discovery channels, some English channels are there which helps you to improve the English language of yours. Okay, so this is how we all have the things that we get to know with the help of television. So now we are going to learn about poem on television. So before that we learn the poem on ICT. So now we are going to learn poem on television. It makes you laugh, it makes you smile. It takes away stress and worries for a while. It helps you learn, it helps you explore. It makes you want for a little more of fun and education. It provides a perfect fusion. That's what we call the television. So now I will explain this poem to you. It makes you laugh, it makes you smile. So when you are watching television, you always smile, you laugh. It take away stress and worries for a while. When you are in stress, when you watch the TV, you feel relaxed. It helps you learn, it helps you explore. You can learn with the help of television, and you can explore the world as well with the help of television. It makes you want for a little more of fun and education. It provides a perfect fusion. With the help of television, you can learn many things as well, and you can have a entertainment also. So it's a perfect fusion. This is what a television. Okay, it comes in a fusion that which helps us to have a fun and education, which make us laugh and smile. Also, we forget our stress and worries, and it's also help us to learn many things. It help us to know more about the world. So this is how we have learned about television. So next tools of technology is computer. Computers have become an important part of our daily life. They help us perform tasks faster and more accurately. So as if now we have learned about ICT, and second tools of ICT is television. Then now we are going to learn about computer, right? So nowadays, students, computer is a important part of our daily life. Each and every field, each and every place you can find the computer. You can find them in home also, at offices, schools, right? They help us perform tasks faster and more accurately. So with the help of computers, you can perform the task faster and more accurate. We can also play games on the computer. So with the help of computer, you can play video games as well. In addition, we can learn different things on the computer. You can learn many different things on computer. You can learn painting. You can learn how to type your name on computer. Many interesting features are there that you also can learn. A computer allows us to write letters, calculate numbers, draw and paint, search information and communicate. So with the help of computer, you can communicate to your friends and relatives. Again, you can gather an information, you can collect an information. Again, it helps us to calculate. With the help of calculators, you can calculate the addition, subtraction, division also. And with the help of MS Paint, you can draw the drawing as well in the computer. So how the computer helps us to work. Now turn your page on page number 22. Here they have shown us a computer. We all know the parts of computer, right? Cabinet, monitor, keyboard and mouse. So now again they have given us a short poem on computer. So let's read the poem. A monitor display whatever you write, instruction to the computer are sent via keyboard to type. The mouse has 2 buttons and with it you can click to copy text real quick. CPU is the brain of the computer, working silently and quickly so you perform your task faster. A monitor displays whatever you write. So whatever you are typing on keyboard, who shows us? Monitor shows us. Instructions to the computer, whatever we are giving to the computer, monitor shows us. Are sent via keyboard to type. So keyboard is used for typing. Mouse has 2 buttons, left and right. With the one click of mouse, you can copy text. CPU is the brain of the computer, working silently and quickly. So computer works silently and quickly. It gives us a accurate and faster result. So this is how computer can perform a quick task, much faster task, right? This is how computer help us in our day-to-day life. So next we have some technology song. I hope you all have understood about ICT. ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. Then we learn about television, which help us to get the we can with the help of television we can get connected. We always get connected to the world. Again, with the help of television, we get entertainment also. Next, we have learn about computer. So, computer help us to perform many tasks in easier and faster way. It gives an accurate result. Whatever we type on keyboard, whatever instructions we give to the keyboard, it shows on monitor. So now let's proceed further toward fourth point, the technology song. ICT is all about the technology that surrounds us. With the help of ICT today, we can access things faster and stay connected. Let's have fun with a song on technology. Now students, we are going to see one video from YouTube. That the song is Technology Song for Kids. You need to sing the song along with them, and you'll have to dance like them. So kindly see the video and do how they are doing. So now students, we are going to see one video from YouTube. That the song is Technology Song for Kids. You need to sing the song along with them, and you'll have to dance like them. So kindly see the video and do how they are doing.
Technology, 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 technology. Raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. Show the world your techno groove. Technology. Technology, raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. Show the world your techno groove. Technology, 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 technology.
Break it down.
Raise your hands, your techno hands. Bob your head if you understand that we're on a move, a techno move. Show the world your techno groove. Technology, 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 technology.
I hope students you all like this video. I hope you all have understood the lesson number 4, which are the technology tools and their poems. Thank you.